guys, let's start now. Today's project is an elegant pair of earrings, fan earrings. Very unique, very cute earrings. I have started it. First of all, we are making knots with the 6 mm crystal green colors bead, and now we are passing thread 2 times. We have passed the thread around this bead, 6 mm crystal bead, and we are making base for our beading work. For beads work, we have to make around this bead 2 layers of thread. This will be a base for our beading. So we have to pass through this bead, our thread, 2 times one side and 2 times other side. Now we have picked 2 green seed beads, 11, and we will pass through. Once from one side we will start. We will pass through this threads base, threads layer we made around our 6 mm bead. Now we pass through this threads base, and then we pass through our green seed bead. Now we picked one more seed bead, 11, and we are making in this way our today's earrings. We will bead one by one. We will add seed beads green 11, and we will add one after one. In this way we will complete the whole round. First round of this beading. First round will be continued in this way. We will add green seed beads 11 around 6 mm pearl. We are working in brick stitch. Here we are working in brick stitch, and brick stitch is one of most popular beading stitches. So we have started our earrings work beading with this stitch. This is called brick stitch. Now we have started second round. In this round we have started as we started first round with 2 beads. Same here, we will start the second round with 2 seed beads, and we will pass needle through the second one we added. Now we will pick one more seed bead and pass through thread and pass through, then pass through seed beads hole, and in this way we will continue adding seed beads one by one, and we will be adding in this way till the end of this round, second round. When it will ends, then we will take another step, continue beading, adding one by one green seed beads. In this way we are adding seed beads. We will complete the whole round in this way. Now we have completed it. Second round is completed. Now we will start third round, and third round, in this round we will be adding 3 mm crystal beads in green color. 3 mm crystal beads will be added here, and first of all we have added one. Now we will add one seed bead 11 golden seed bead 11 and one 3 crystal bead. And now from here we will be repeating this process again and again with one seed bead 11 golden and one 3 crystal bead. We will be adding it till this the same number, the same beads, one golden seed bead and one crystal 3 So we will be adding it. We have added 8 crystal 3 with seed beads golden 11. Now third round, now our fourth round. Second round is now fourth round is started. In this round we are adding golden seed beads 11 one by one between the gaps of the golden beads. Now we have completed this round adding golden seed beads 11. Now next round has started. Now in this round we will be adding 3 seed beads golden 11 and one crystal bead green crystal bead 4 In this way you can see in this video we are adding, we add green and then skipping 3 seed beads we pass through green crystal bead 4 we pass through seed bead golden, and now we are adding again one crystal bead 4 with 3 seed beads, skipping 3 seed beads we will pass through green crystal 4 then we will pass through golden seed bead, then again one crystal bead 4 with 3 seed beads golden. In this way we will complete till the end of this round. We will complete it. This is the look of our fan earrings. Very elegant look, very good color combinations you can see. Now we will be adding beads with same number, same beads. We will continue our work around our fan earrings. Look at the elegant look of our fan earrings, like a light and dark of green color combination, light and dark green color combination. We have used the beads of light and dark colors in this earring, and different types of beads, different kind of beads we are using. Crystal beads dark green color, crystal bead 3 4 green color, star 11 seed beads and green color, crystal bead 6 We have used different types, different sizes beads in this earring. It's a variety of colors, it's a variety of beads in this earring. Good color combinations you can make for yourself with some different colors, with light shades and dark shades of different beads. Now we have added some golden seed beads around our beaded earring. Around the seed bead portion we have added, around the seed bead 11 green color we have added seed beads 11 golden color. Now the last step, we are adding here earring wire with two dark color, green, dark green, two 4 mm crystal beads and earring wire we have attached here. And now we are making some knots here to secure it, and the final look is coming. Now we will trim extra thread and it's ready now. Our fan earring is ready. It's ready now. The elegant look, light and dark color combinations of green color you can see in this earrings pattern, fan earring pattern, which is based on brick stitch, and different colors combinations make it very different, unique and elegant. Now its final look is here. Kindly subscribe my channel. I will say bye now. somycrafty channel, subscribe it. Take care, Allah Hafiz, and bye bye. Lots of love.